sponsored by Pebbles cereal.
Hey guys, perfect timing. I'm just finishing up my breakfast. You can't get those creative juices flowing on an empty belly, you know. I have been designing a fun family fashion photo shoot, but shh, it's a surprise. Come with me, I have something fun to show you. I turned my office into a fashion studio so I could design our own Pebbles inspired collection for the shoot. Come inside and I'll show you the behind the scenes of how it all goes down. Okay, so first check out some original pieces that I made. This shirt for Braylee was inspired by Cocoa Pebbles. I think it turned out so cute. I have this fun bucket hat for Gage. I love the red color, and I heard bucket hats are totally in season, so I think we all need one. I also added a fun Fruity Pebbles G just to customize it for him. I made this cute bag for Layla. I think she's gonna love it, but I think this is my favorite. I made this skirt for Layla, totally inspired by Fruity Pebbles. I added some tulle fabric and just filled the bottom with Fruity Pebbles. She's gonna freak out when she sees this. I had to make some fun Fruity Pebbles props. These were really easy to make, and I think that they're going to be my kids' favorite. I had this pink dress, and it totally inspired my idea for the outfit that I will be wearing. And over here at my desk, I've been working on some final designs for our Pebbles inspired photo shoot. I have my vision board and everything I need to get started. Oh yeah, speaking of photo shoots, don't forget to take pictures and tag @Pebbles cereal. I think this plain white tee is going to be perfect for what I have in mind for my outfit. So I'm just starting with this white t-shirt. I want to create a design inspired by Fruity Pebbles. I'm going to use as many bright colored beads as I can to just cover this shirt and make it really fun and playful. We aren't creating any like perfect shape or pattern, just having fun and putting the beads all over. Okay, my shirt is finally ready to go. I am so happy with how it all came together. The colors and pattern turned out exactly how I wanted it to. This is Gage's shirt. It's almost finished. I just have some ribbon to trim off. I really love all the colors on Gage's shirt. I think it's gonna look perfect with his bucket hat. What do you guys think? Gage's shirt is finished, and I think it's finally time to set up for our photo shoot. For the backdrop, we're gonna start with this plain pink sheet. I wanted to add a little more color and fun to our backdrop. I made this out of Pebbles boxes. I'm attaching it to hooks on the ceiling so that they'll hang right in front of our pink sheet. For photo shoots or videos like this, I love to use a ring light, but I do also have some pretty great natural light up in my office. Get my lighting set up and my camera. Okay, I think this is perfect. We're ready for our photo shoot, and I can't wait to show the kids what I've been working on. Let's go and get them. Kids, I have a surprise! Ta-da! Whoa!
Wow, Pebbles!
So this is what you've been working on up here.
Whoa! I always wanted to do my own photo shoot.
I'm so happy that you guys love it because it is time to strike a pose.
Let's check out some of these pictures. These are so awesome. I love them.
All in a day's work for a designer. Check out @Pebbles cereal on Instagram. Well, thanks everyone for hanging out with us in our design studio. Now it's your time to do it up, and I can't wait to see where your fashion takes you. And we will see you later. Bye! Bye!